Ooh, look at that thing.
Oh shit, are you alright? You alright?
Yeah, that was
Watch it, man. You can't do that. Is he there?
Yep, he's there.
Sweet. What do we got? Bass. Dude, I might have got that whole thing on video.
Damn, he took that hook pretty deep.
Did he? Hey, you might have to cut it.
You got something to cut it?
Lighter. I can bite it though. You got a cigarette right there. Oh, good catch. Let's move up shallower.
Yep. Oh. Snap.
Dude, I got that on video, the whole thing, I think.
Did you?
Yeah.